Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Akilah. Today I will present assessment case study for network security. So for objective, there are 4 parts. Identify the devices, explain the devices in detail, propose the network diagram and demonstrate the firewall network flow. For part 1, identify the devices. Identify the device that will have inside the diagram. Student can add any device based on requirement. So here is the diagram. I use 3 router, 2 switches, 1 server and 1 PC. For part 2, explain the devices in detail. So I search on the internet. Here is for router. I use Cisco 1941 and this is the specification. The product code, rack unit, interface, expansion slot, RAM 2 GB max, flash memories is 8 GB max, dimension, the packet weight, for the price, it's around 2,500, and then for the switches I use 2960. For the price usually around 4,900. Here is for the spec. Here is the port, flash memory, 32 MB flash, manufacturer from Cisco, the brand Cisco, model 2960-24TT, installed size. Okay, then for the server, PowerEdge T140 from brand Dell. Here is the specification. The processor, memory, storage controllers, power supplies is single cable, IoT and ports. So for the price, it's around 4,000. And then last one for PC, Dell Optiplex 9010. And here is the specification. There is the processor type. The memory, capacity, minimum memory and maximum memory, 16 GB and 32 GB. And for the price, it's around 3,000. Okay, part 3, propose the network diagram. So here you can see the diagram. I show it, and the addressing table is here. Okay, for part 4, demonstrate the firewall network flow. Network flow from outside network to inside network. So first I will do IP config in PC. The IP address. Okay, and then I will ping the IP as you can see, the packet here was not successful to deliver. Next, network flow from outside network to server. So I will do IP config on this server. Okay, here copy and then try ping at R2. Then open the simulation to see if the message that will be delivered. Open R2 again to see if the message was delivered successfully. Okay. Network flow from inside network to server. So click simulation, click edit filter and tick the DNS and ICMP only on IPv4. And for here, untick. For here, tick the TCP and UDP only. Okay, then go to PC server, IP okay, this server go here, go to web browser and type 192.168.1.3. Okay, as you can see here is the packet on PC Dell. As you can see here is the packet on PC Dell. Then click play and then you can see the packet is moving to the server. Okay. Now for network flow from inside network to outside network. Okay, go to PC Dell and try ping That's all for case study network security.